Hey everyone! Slack QR codes are incredibly useful for quickly syncing your desktop account to your mobile device or inviting new team members without typing out long URLs. Here is the step-by-step beginner's script for 2026. Step 1. Open the Desktop Workspace menu. The QR code feature is part of Slack's sync security, so it must be initiated from a logged-in desktop app to verify your identity. Click your workspace name located at the very top of the left-hand sidebar. This opens your primary administration and account menu. Look for Sign in on Mobile in the list. By selecting this, you are telling Slack to generate a unique, time-sensitive token that links your active desktop session to your mobile device, bypassing the need for manual password entry. Step 2. Prepare the scannable QR code. Once you click the Mobile Sign-In option, Slack generates a secure code that acts as a digital handshake between your devices. A window will appear in the center of your screen displaying the QR code. It is important to keep this window open and active. For security reasons, these codes often expire after a few minutes of inactivity. If the code expires before you can scan it, simply click Refresh to generate a new one. To complete the process, you must use the internal scanner within the Slack app rather than your standard phone's camera app to ensure the data is encrypted correctly. Open Slack on your phone, tap Sign In, and select Sign In with QR code. Align your phone's camera with the code on your desktop screen. Your phone will instantly recognize the workspace credentials. If your workspace uses single sign-on or 2FA, Slack might ask for one final biometric check, like Face ID or a fingerprint on your phone to finalize the secure connection. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.